the bed! Put the bed in neutral! You're not on the edge, you're taking up too much room. Stop the bed! And I'm getting out of here, I'm done. Finger choppers. God dang, that one's in there. That one's in there good. I got something for you, bastard. Another bitchin' Orschell Excavating job. Well, look at that. I don't even know if I'm putting my ramp down with that big culvert. I'm going to have to back up a little more. That can only mean one thing. Somebody's going to call me with some good news. Let me grab this. Dang news change, Carlito. I normally don't do that till I leave, but it's a special occasion. Videoing it, you true G? There you go, pop it! Pop it! Stop the bed, pop it! Pop it! Hang that way! He's a true G, but sometimes you need some guidance. Man, that stuff's crushed up real good today. You gotta watch that hill. I suck it up, man. We'll ride a wheelie up that son of a gun. True G fashion right there. Regulate. That's OG shit right there. They don't teach you that in CDL school. You can't. One place you can pay for experience is Vegas, baby. That's the only place you can buy experience. I'm saying buy it, not learn it. Boom, and like that, all the pain and suffering's over. Here's how I blew out my groin doing that shit. Come on back. I don't care what you say. There's always a little excitement, a little anxiousness. It's always a little bit of a gambling game. You're kind of rolling the dice with your life. Win big. Mama's fallen angel. Lose big. Rolling the dice with your life. Too much too soon, just a little too late. When it all comes down, caught between heaven and hell. Where's the girl I knew a year ago? Win big, mama's fallen angel. You know, you know. 1987, banging that Motley Crue. Theater of Pain, I think. Look at him. I asked if he had 2 more, and he gave me that look. I said, you got some tomorrow? He said, I said 4. Running him tight, but man, I'd be BF'd without him. I'm telling you right now, right, unit?
Yeah.
We'll learn you something one of these days. Put the bed in neutral! Don't raise it! He's riding the edge, baby. You're not on the edge, you're taking up too much room. You got 1 more to bang in here. I think that bed's all the way extended. And just like that. Yeah, once it's unloaded, that's it. She's donesies. No more funsies. I don't know, they're crushing some good shit today, because sometimes it ain't got all the fines and stuff in it. It's really good stuff. Since I don't know if I said it, since I used that white, I don't know, I'm just kind of like the brown. Seemed like that white didn't go as far. Could just be me, I don't know. I'm never happy. Job with the 275 on the back. This sucker beat it in. Thing is, you just can't really give her gas, just let her climb on her own goodwill. That'll tighten her up. Little goat's hoops pushing on it. While we're waiting for the hammer, this is about 20 minutes away up and bright. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off. That way I don't have to do 2 trips tomorrow. 700 foot of driveway, freshen everything up, make it look bitchin'. You know what I'm saying? So always a hustle, shuffle, bustle. Just gotta, Jesus, why am I leaning? I swear, it feels like, I don't know, it always leans a little bit. the way it is. She's a leaner. Look at that, he's already ready to bang chains. Go ahead and undo it. Hold that and spin it out. That way it's long for the next time you need it.
All right.
Feels like me and Carlito's down here waiting for the bus. Been standing down here waiting for Hammer to come back. He should be back any minute. And then you start wondering, man, something happened. He's back. Told him I'd stand where I want him to pop it. Stop the bed! Stop the bed! That scares me, all that weight going up. You know what I said, if it can't happen, it will. That's good, pop it! Tree work. All my contracts has a clause for tree work. It's always extra. It's by the limb. Finger choppers. God dang, that one's in there. That one's in there good. I got something for you, bastard. Take that. Go home now. Open it up. Do another pull. Sounds like there's a ghost in those brakes. Probably need to be hosed out. Almost decapitated the bed, but you know, it's late in the day. Mistakes happen. People are fatigued. Gonna knock that pile down with the tractor. I'm gonna load up and I'm getting out of here. I'm done. I've had enough of this 7 load or 8 load job. It's time to move on. So I say a couple days for a job, that's enough for me. Let's go. Stick with me. Tomorrow's a new adventure. Another big long driveway. We got too much to do. Shouldn't say that, but we got a lot to do. Stay with me. There's a tractor for all the haters. Tell them to throw the fingers and throw it in there. Walk with me. Let's take a look at it. I'm back. I love you guys. So look at this. You guys can't be afraid to throw the gravel on. Look how high we got this. It's 10 inches thick there, but dude, bid them where it's going to be right. If it ain't going to be right and you're worried about skimping on gravel and stuff, don't do the job. Put your name on worthy stuff. Look, now we got it so high that the water's going to run down there. That's the only thing you can do. But another bitchin' Orschell Excavating job. Much love. Bang them out. Bid them right. That's where you make your money. When the pen hits the papers, when you make your money, don't cut yourself short. I'm in this business to thrive, not survive.